thought I would show this. This is the hallway. There's my front door, and this here is a cupboard. What I've done is, when I go into my cupboard, as you can see, I paint and oils. So I do that, but because it's coming into gardening season, I have created this. This is a shelf in the cupboard, and I have covered the walls at the back and the top with tin foil. I've got a heated propagator here, and in here this one I planted spring onions. These two are onions, and they were planted on the 2nd of January. Now if I tap that, let the water go, as you can see, the spring onions have already started sprouting. When they get to a decent size, I will then move them off the propagator. It's a heated propagator. I will move them off down the back, but I'll keep the light on, so they'll not grow that fast, but the light, and it's warm enough in the cupboard to keep them alive. In these two we have got onions, but they have yet to show their heads, so again sown on the 2nd of January. I've got another light here, so when I move these seeds off, I can put that light on. Don't know if you can see the difference there. And they will sit down here, so they'll still get light and the heat from ambient heat from the room. If this experiment works and the seedlings survive, then maybe that shelf up there will become another grow house. But we'll see what happens. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.